Yeah, I think this meeting is really a tremendous forum because it brings together experts from several different fields that are, working on the common theme of intercepting blood cancers or early intervention or identification of, precursor lesions to malignant hematopoietic malignancies. But then again, these people have various different areas of expertise, both in terms of, the tumors that they work on, be it lymphoid, myeloid, or plasma cell neoplasms, and then also in the substance of the expertise that they bring to the table. We have clinicians here that run clinical trials. We have pathologists like myself. We have basic scientists that work, on the biology of disease at the bench side. So I think this is an exceptional forum that brings together a wealth of experience and expertise, and I'm really excited and happy to be here.